Hootsuite makes listening for conversations on social and engaging with your audience easy with streams. Streams display content from your social networks and can be used to monitor comments and mentions, search for relevant conversations and influencers, and take action on individual posts. To set up your first stream, select a goal. Then select your social network and pick from the available stream types. If you'd like, you can add them all. Click Add to Dashboard to finalize. The content in your streams will update automatically as new posts and engagements occur. If you're in a hurry though, click the Refresh button for an instant update. Additional streams can be added by clicking the plus sign, choosing your network from the dropdown, and selecting the information you'd like to monitor. Often, users want to organize their streams, either by social network or by type of engagement. A good way to do this is to create tabs. Each tab can house its own selection of streams, with a maximum of 10 streams per tab. To create a new tab, click the plus sign. Let's use this tab to manage our LinkedIn content. Here, we can add a different combination of streams. For example, streams for your updates, home feed, and scheduled posts. We recommend starting out by creating a dedicated tab for each of the social networks you manage. As you gain experience with Hootsuite, you'll likely start organizing your tabs and streams in a way that best fits with your social media goals.